Hello! It would be great if you could join us by clicking the like button, subscribe, and the bell next to it. Let's start! Conversation 1. Somebody seems to be getting out on the wrong side of the bed today. Huh? You don't look very cheerful this morning. What's wrong? Well, I have a headache. Then stay home. Take a day off work. No, I can't. There's an important meeting with a very important guest coming today. I feel sorry for the guy. You're going to welcome him with that grumpy look on your face. Of course not. It won't happen. I'll have to put on my best smile for him. That's the spirit. Say, I feel a bit better now. Well, I'm glad to hear that. Conversation 2. Hi, are you okay? You seem to be under the weather lately. Hi, yeah, no. Any problems? I have a heart attack. What? We must get you to the hospital at once. No. It's not something that can be cured by medicine. I'm sorry, I'm not following you. What are you saying? My girlfriend broke up with me. I'm devastated. Ah, I see. You gave me a bit of scare for a moment there. What do you mean? You don't have a heart attack. You're heartbroken. Oh, they don't mean the same thing? Of course not. One is a condition where your actual heart is failing to function, and the other one is, well, what you are feeling right now. I see. Well, in that case, I don't have a heart attack. I'm heartbroken. Well, if you need someone to talk to, I'm all ears. Thanks. Let's read the following useful phrases. Mari kita baca frase-frase yang berguna berikut ini. What's wrong? I have a headache. I feel a bit better now. I'm glad to hear that. Are you okay? Any problems? I'm devastated. I'm heartbroken. I'm here if you need someone to talk to. I'm all ears. Idioms. Getting out on the wrong side of the bed. Under the weather. All ears. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you back next time.